Hi everyone, it's Jason here at AUSOUG Connect 2018 in Melbourne. I am very privileged to be here with Karen. Karen's one of our speakers from the US. Hi Karen, how are you?
Hi, great to be here.
So when we've got new technologies or new processes that we're migrating to, let's say journey to cloud or mobile that they sort of mentioned before, how organizations actually look at adopting these such that they're not disrupting everything. You make
Well, I have two extremes right now. I have one organization where we're looking to adopt a little and merge it in. Adopt a new thing, merge it in. On the other extreme, I have a client that's waited so long, resisted change, that now we have a big upgrade. We need to upgrade database. We need to upgrade platform. We need to update versions. The user interface is going to change. Some of the navigation is going to change. So now we have user training and stuff.
wow,
I think we
the
need to
change
move
management around that.
a ton. So we need to move away from that, and hopefully once we're migrated, that we'll implement this, just merge, change it, because that extreme case, it's going to be painful. But once we get through that first hurt going forward, now we're going to do no harm.
One thing that I like about the merge change type terminology that you use there, every time you merge it in, then the business itself feels what that change is. So
In increments.
the increments, but because it's out there, there's the ability to actually provide feedback at that point in time as far as what that experience
Exactly.
is and what is the not whether it's good or bad, but what's the impact.
Exactly.
Right? So if as long as you know what the impact, you can use that almost back into a feedback loop, like a control system, coming back into some of the engineering concepts there,
Yeah.
is that you can optimize a lot quicker that what that is, so you know that you're coming closer to what it needs to be, as opposed to waiting years.
Yes. No, we can't
And say,
do
oh,
that.
hang on, we actually got to do all these other things, which are going to probably potentially take us another couple of years to do, because we haven't considered all those environmental changes in terms of the business, internally, externally, are the requirements right, are they what we assume it to be, all those kind of things can be mitigated through that merge change type.
Merge change. And I think because technology is changing so quickly, just if you look at Open World last year to
Yep.
Open World this year, and the messages that are coming out and the products that are coming out and the things that work together easier, the things that I can pick up and run with, there's just more of them
Yep.
right now. If I adapt each quarter, I love the quarterly releases because I can adapt. I can
Yep.
test it out before I put it into production,
Yep.
and I can adapt. And it's not just with my database, it's now with my application express. VBCS will be the same thing. Other products, it'll be the same thing. So we don't have this big, oh my gosh, what do we do now? So as a business, I'm able to, or as a consultant, I'm able to give the businesses I work for the latest and greatest, faster and easier. Little changes instead of, oh, what just hit us.
Yeah.
And that's how things need to evolve, because any business today, if they're not keeping up, their processes are stale.
Yeah.
What we did 5 years ago now just doesn't cut it.